Reasons you want to manifest, have your own practice of doing it, is because it keeps you from settling for just fine, just okay. I was talking to someone recently who we know, someone in common who's been going through a really hard time the past few years, and I shared that I was concerned with them, wanted to talk about how we could help this person, and the one I was talking to said, oh, well, they're fine. And I said, yeah, fine is not really good enough. Fine is a slow decline. It's the beginning of your slow decline. The longer you're okay with being fine, the longer you keep on just being okay, doing fine, the longer you get used to that, the harder it's going to be to break you out of it. At some point, yes, your life will give you a wake-up call or give you a nudge, because your soul wants more than fine. Your soul wants you to do what you came here to do. Your soul wants this for you. I want to support this in you. I want you to help manifest your desires. But if you don't want it for yourself, because you've gotten so used to the fact that fine is good enough, then, you're welcome to settle. But here's the warning that I want to give you, which is that based on what I see of current conditions, globally, regionally, etc., in various areas of life, things are not going to be fine. And I'm not saying save yourself, because that's all you can do. But in a way, if you can't live the life that's honoring your needs in your best way possible, then the world events can drag you down. The world events can make you settle into mediocrity. And that can be the norm. And it's not like one day your neighbor's going to show up at your door and say, hey, I want to encourage you to go after that dream you used to have. Or is your mom going to say that? Or your partner? None of them are going to come to you and say, hey, guess what? You're turning 45, you're turning 55, you're turning 60, you're turning 50. Now's the time to go for that. Nope. I'm encouraging you to go for it, whatever year you are, whatever year you're turning. You have the ability to manifest this deep desire that's within you. My belief system is that the desire in you shows that it's a possibility. You're going to have to make choices, take actions, work and play for it in some ways, but it's better than settling for fine, settling for okay and mediocrity. I'm not knocking that some things in life are mediocre. I wouldn't say that everything in my life is climbing Mount Everest amazingly successful, but I don't care about it in all areas of my life. But the areas I do care about it, you better believe I keep on going for it, and I keep on aiming for it, and I keep on trying relentlessly day after day. And as your coach, as your psychic coach, that's one of the things that I do for you. Reflect back your vision to you, reflect back your potential, open you up to creative, out-of-the-box ways. You can be going for that and holding the vision for you that it is a possibility, because it truly is. And sometimes just having one other person believing in you, rooting for you, can be what gets you through the hard time of feeling like it's impossible to when you believe it's possible. You know it's possible. You feel that spark of belief within you, and that keeps you going. I'm not one of those coaches that tries to set you up so that you're dependent on me and that we work together forever. I always acknowledge you've got your free will. You're going to grow. I'm going to grow. All of that. I'm setting you up so that you truly see and recognize the capabilities within you. You're affirmed, you're confirmed, and you have that creative out-of-the-box thinking support on your side so that you see all of the possibilities available to you more than you even imagined. And that's why I won't settle for fine for myself or for you, because what you see and accept as fine and standard and average, those are limited possibilities. You have so much more available to you. You have the right to go for it. If you want to work together, reach out to me. I do not DM you to try and work together. You have to reach out to me. You can book a free discovery call. You can book one session to see how that is to work together. And you can also work with me for 3 to 6 months. That's the biggest way to transform quickly and amazingly your life from fine to incredible. And I encourage you to go for it. Bye.